What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, thank you for tuning in. In today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing and an assembly of the Furmax Office Chair. Now hopefully this video doesn't run too long for you guys, but I just wanted to show you that I have ordered the last little bit to my little office space here, and really excited to have it come in, and I wanted to show it for you guys just in case this is something you wanted to pick up for yourself. Then you can get a nice view of what it looks like in the office space and what it looks like in real life, instead of just going off of pictures from Amazon. Now for this particular product, for this particular chair, it's got over 40,000 views at 4 stars. So I know a lot of you guys are purchasing this product, but I'm not seeing a whole lot of videos on YouTube on it, so I just wanted to play my part and get you guys this video out here, so hopefully it will help some of you out. This chair on Amazon is $45 for the black chair. That's what I picked up. I got the black. But if you wanted to get a different color, the other colors are an extra $10, so it's going to be $55 a piece for that. They got blue, they got cyan, which is not really cyan, it looks like a light green to me. They got a dark green, like a forest green. They got like a light gray. They got orange, they got pink, they got purple, they got red, they got white. Okay, so they got like all the colors. Yeah, so if you're looking for a cheap modern design for an office chair, this might be one that you want to pick up for yourself, especially if you're somebody that likes to mix and match colors and you want something different. This might be an option for you. Okay, so for me, the reason why I had to go and pick up a new office chair is because the one I have I actually got for free from work, and in the videos you can kind of hear it squeak and move around, which is not ideal for me. Sometimes it's louder than others, and also because the chair is just very big for the very small space that I have here. And I like to move this chair out sometimes out into the living room to do things, or whatever, and I can't do that if it's constantly in the way because the area is too small. Yeah, so I wanted something small, something modern, something new that's not going to be squeaking, and I can move it in and out whenever I feel like it. But before we get into it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's do this thing. Okay, so here is the behind the scenes look of the small space that I got to work with. So I do have a studio apartment, and I was very lucky to have a studio that actually has a separate room attached to it, which then also extends out to the bathroom. So it's not really a studio, but I'm paying like the studio price for it. So before, my bedroom was in this small room, but then I've been here for a while. I've been here for at the time I was been here for 3 years, so I wanted to switch it up, and so I moved my bed and stuff out into the living room, which is now a regular studio kind of, and I've turned this into the office / recording area for YouTube. So now fitting everything in here is kind of a pain, but I've kind of made it work, and so this is what I got to work with for now. It's got the backdrop, which you guys normally see if you watch my videos, but let's go ahead and open up this box. Alright, here's the box. Nothing special, just a big old China box. Alright, big old box from China, nothing crazy. Here's the seat cushion. set that off to the side for now. Here is the bottom. It's like a giant starfish. Alright. And here is the back. Okay, so it's like a soft mesh material. It's not like a hard. It's very light, and it's a very cool modern design to it. It looks like this chair is going to be a lot smaller than what I have going on right now, which is awesome. Looks like it goes on the back of the chair. Probably doesn't. I don't know. We'll figure it out once we look at the instructions. Nope, that's the pedal. So that's probably going to go on the bottom somewhere. Another piece. Another piece. Alright, so inside the little box you got your wheels and a bunch of other parts, a bunch of smaller parts, and then you get your tool and all your bolts and stuff. So it comes with everything you need. Now we just need the instructions, which is at the very bottom here. Boom. Alright, now let's put this thing together. And there it is. Look at that. Alright, as you can tell, not a single squeak in sight. Okay, perfect chair, slick, modern design to it, not super expensive, very easy put together. It comes with the instructions, it comes with the screws, it comes with all the bolts, everything that you need comes with this chair. Okay, very easy to get in and out of small spaces and stuff, you know. So if you got a small room that you're working with, this is definitely a chair that I would recommend to you. If you guys want, I will leave a link in the description below for you, so if you want to pick one up for yourself, you can go ahead and do that. If you have any questions about the product, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.